So the following is just a quick overview of how to use an amazing tool from Geopoint, it's their mapping tool that you can get on the Salesforce App Exchange that plugs directly into your instance of Salesforce. So I'm logged into Salesforce right now, and the oil and gas data that we provide, the Enerlead data, and this example specifically for Texas. So we've got the toolbar on the side, we've got folders, and we built data sets. One of the data sets that we built for ourselves is show me the Texas spud licenses. So just by clicking, and this is over a time frame, it's actually by 30 days. When I click on this, it is all going to query the database. We've got the Enerlead product. We've loaded the Texas well license information. And then what we have here now is a visual using the map of all the well licenses that we have here in Texas. So over the last 30 days, now we can come in and we can do some different things here to help us identify key areas, things that might be of interest to us. One tool I really enjoy using is over here. This is an example of our the data sets that we have open, and I like to use heat maps. So I'll come in here and I'll put a heat map associated with this, and then once I've identified it with a heat map, here we'll just give it another second here. There we go, and then I will click the heat map. There's our heat map. Some of the things I can do when I put it in a heat map, I can zoom in, take a look at some of the other information that we have, and then drill down to specific areas of interest that I might want to focus on. So here's an area that I might want to focus on. I can then draw a circle around it and search that area specifically. So one of the things that we end up doing quite a bit here when we are doing our research is if I get rid of this data set, one of the things that we might do is we might say, hey, I'm interested in Midland, and then we can see there's Midland, Texas. The Geopoint app is going to take me directly to Midland, Texas, and then I'm going to come out and I'm going to zoom out a little bit from the Midland area. Then I'm going to come back to my folders here, and then I'm going to maybe do a nearby search. So when I look at a nearby search, I could say I want to look at all the well licenses in that area within 20 miles last 30 days. I can just go ahead and I can click on that. It's going to query the database and subsequently come in. So I might have to go out a little bit further. Let's see here. We'll go say 40 miles. That will go out 40 miles. Wells spud U.S. district last 30 days. Go ahead and do our search, and we'll see what the results are on that side of it. So outside of the Midland area, not a ton of wells on that side of it, but we can come in here and take a look at and specifically drill into any one of these accounts that we want on that side of it. So the mapping tool itself allows us to really segment and drill down in target areas, again, helping us with our market research and our lead generation, taking Salesforce to the next level.